You guys, hold on. Because somebody back there being real rude now. Thank you. Y'all, I promise this is going to be the last time that y'all come on this video. And I got this cap on, okay? I promise you this is the last time. Because I'm going to start wearing my hair, y'all. Like, it's really the color for me. Like, do y'all see the color? Like, y'all love my color. But anywho, y'all. So, we're talking about all that. Y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Hi, I am Shy. Woo. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new as well, though, still comment and like. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Because when I tell you this video is about to be lit, it's gonna be lit, y'all. Okay? The video is about to be lit. But before we even get into all of that good stuff, I just want y'all to know today is my freaking birthday. Y'all, it's my birthday. Today my birthday, y'all. Like I'm really 29. That's crazy. I mean, it's not crazy, but Lord, thank you for letting me see 29 years. Amen. Because some people didn't make it to 29. Okay. But don't let them bother me more than somebody turning. And don't put their signal light on, boo. Y'all need to do better. Let's see. It is 8:13. Y'all, I'm really pressing for time because my grandmama, she got to get her toes done. Well, both of us going really 9:30. Like I said, it's 8:13, 8:14, somewhere around there. Pressing for time. Pressing. I'm trying to do a whole photo shoot, y'all. I got some of the stuff set up, but not all of it. And I ain't getting no freaking tape. Dang. They got heart is so hemmed up, baby. Y'all gonna have to go on. And y'all really sleep on hardest breakfast if you don't eat it, though. I'm just saying. Don't take my word for it. They got a breakfast round. I don't need all that, though. I really want to get a sandwich and give the other one to somebody, but what they got? The sausage and egg biscuit. Did I say chicken? I don't even know what that other one say. Oh. So I'm going to take us a little, for the grown people. I know exactly what I'm talking about. At least a little bit. Woo. Child, that's too grown for me. But anyway, we got the breakfast, okay? About to tear the club up. Tear the club. I can't start my day without that OJ. Ooh, we're gonna pour it up. Because this how real boss do. She drink her orange juice out of glass. Like it's, like we had brunch, duh. All we missing is the wine. Then we gonna, That's it right there. Let me stop playing, y'all. It's 8:32. Okay, y'all, so here's the wrap. Let's see what it looks. Oh, let's pray. And man, this is the first one, y'all. Sausage, egg, and gravy. I really just be ordering stuff, y'all. I don't know. That's what it looked like. They broke the gravy. I meant the sausage up. Put a little. That was a little stingy with the gravy, wasn't it? We're gonna see what it tastes like. I want to interrupt my video. Yes, ma'am. Huh?
Happy birthday to you. You did your photo?
No, I'm eating right now. I was about to switch it up, but I'm just stick to what I said.
No, what time it is, right?
Yeah.
Hurry up, love.
I am. Oh.
Hurry up so you can do it.
Huh?
I said hurry up so you can do it.
Yeah, I am. Hardest got they got breakfast wraps 2 for $5. Oh, y'all wrong for that. Y'all look at it. This ain't too much of nothing. This'll make me mad. This enough for a child though. That's enough for a child. I might take one bite and then get to her. Y'all told me, if you grown, grab you a shot and take one with me. If you under 21, grab you some OJ and take a shot of it with me. Here's to us, y'all. Here's to us, because it's going to be a great year. A strong year, okay? A strong year, like Pastor Mike said. I will be back. My hair might be down. 9 times out of 10, my hair going to be down anyways. Y'all see me again, I'll be dressed something completely different. So, if you haven't already, and you watch this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, and continue watching this video, y'all. I'm telling you. And then comment down below, happy birthday, because this is my birthday, you know. Y'all, so right now I'm in between doing this little photo shoot, y'all. And I guarantee y'all never do it again. Not by myself. Child, when I tell you, hold on, peep the color though, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all, back in action. Y'all, I really thought my hair was gonna be shorter than this. Okay, now this the real color of my hair, because I had posted some pictures on Facebook, and I was like, dang, they don't even look like the color that it really is. That's that pink stuff. But anyway, see y'all, I did one part. Now I changed. Child, I don't know how this finna go. It's just gonna have to go how it go. It is 9:53. I know my grandma at home mad right now. She probably not gonna watch this, but grandma, I'm sorry. Cause baby, I've been over here struggling with that first little setup I had going on. But anywho, y'all, so got the last one to do. Hopefully this turned out good. I don't know. It is what it is at this point, y'all. I need to start doing stuff a little bit sooner. Okay? We're gonna do stuff a little bit sooner. And yeah. Stay tuned. All right now, church. Amen. Go ahead. All right. We're back in our favorite place to be in. Dang, look at the police pulling up back there. Well, it's a good thing I ain't got the phone in my hand. But anyways, we are finally headed to get the oil change. We're gonna cut that down a little bit. So let me tell y'all her list. She told me to get water, deodorant, 2 brush toothpaste, which what a little small one. She talking about the travel thing. I don't know, y'all. I don't be liking it. I don't know. Whatever. The soap might be alright for me. She talking about trail mix, Rice Krispie treats, chips, and then she called me a few minutes before I left, talking about get her some dip and get some pies. You ain't getting no dip or no. She ain't get. I got her dip alright. I got her dip, baby dip. But yes, y'all. I'm just sitting here waiting on them to pull me in for this little oil change. It look like okay. I'm about to be next, but I should have waited until she came so we could have got the discount, honey. The work discount. So I'm kind of stuck between getting New York pizza and getting my favorite sandwich to get from there is the New York special. New York special. No tomatoes, no onions. And yeah, okay then. So I don't know if I want that or if I want to go to Little Caesars and get the little puffs that they have now. Cause those look real good. Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Amen. Alright, y'all. Okay, nice little crest on it. Y'all want there y'all go. Don't say I ain't never gave y'all anything. Okay. In the dollar store.
All right. I'll be there as quick as I can. All right. All right.
Like this. Toothpaste. Yeah, I think I'm Have y'all been seeing these? I just want to try them. So that's. I should get some medicine too. You know, you getting a little older when you gotta bring medicine on the trip. Cause somebody head bound to start hurting. Not me though, y'all be easy. Cause I don't do the hangover stuff anymore. Alright, y'all, we back. I forgot. Oh, look at this. I know she wanted me to get some water. I really don't like this kind of water, y'all. I might get my own water. I got my own, y'all. Because I don't want this kind. These hit. If you're not from our couples channel, let me tell you now, me and my baby, we love Dollar Tree, love their snacks. These right here. These. I got a whole bunch of them, y'all. Go watch our thing, let's see. These. What else I'm gonna get? Show y'all what we got from the store. Got this Walmart, put all the stuff in. This one right here. Alright. Got some of these, the way she have to take the one she already got. Y'all can't see me. Got some soap. Got the little mini face wash. Got some hand sanitizer to put in my purse. Got some soap. Cause y'all, I don't like when they be having too. So I got salt and vinegar. I got these. Got these again, y'all. Got some forks, cause these out of them. Got my these nasty trail mix. I hope this. I got these. Got these from Dollar Store. Got her is prime. Got her these. Got to have these. Y'all know these, man. Cheese. Cause we was out of them. Toothpaste. These. It's time to pack. My sister's here. Is she? So I switched my outfit up, y'all. Cause what I said, it was a little mediocre. So we got this. She cut it up for me. In 1, 2. Some white shirt with this purse. I was thinking about this.
With the shoes.
Y'all think this?
But I'm gonna be the apartment I did think you still all in my face. Them girls say I'm at mom's. What y'all do? Shoes, please. I don't know. He died. That's why she was that man that was living, I don't know, over 70 years.
Thing to pack. Our bag with our toiletries in it. So I'm going to bring this face wash. I'm probably looking at my purse. I like it. Like I said, gotta have my own soap. Toothpaste. In the room. So there we are. My toiletries bag. We heard you coming.
What is that?
What I'm looking at?
7350. What is that?
Oh, the oil change.
No. So
Yeah, I saw.
got an oil change.
I told you I was getting one. Y'all, she ready to go ham with it. Oh.